this is I'm gonna make this video super short and sweet. I started off earlier by showing you pictures of different months and comparisons, and now just I'm gonna give you a quick little. As you can see, it's been about a week and a half since I did my last session. There's still a little some scabs, but it's pretty much almost healed. But you can tell how light it's getting. It's definitely getting lighter with every session. Compare it to back here, like I always do. This is untouched. The rest is getting light. As you could even see back here, look how light this band is. There's actually part of it is gone. There's parts of the tattoo that are completely gone. In these areas here, I have some discoloration, but I could tell it's starting to go back to normal. So only time will tell if it'll completely go back to my normal pigment. Okay, one last thing I want to show you. This is the legit Neatcell that I purchased, the blue laser, and I purchased it from Amazon. I will leave the link in this video to purchase the correct one. And I purchased the red one, and I thought it was legit, but it is not. Okay. Here, this is the Neatcell blue one that I use. It's legit. It comes in this box. It comes with these goggles and a pair of yellow goggles. And I ordered it from Amazon once again. Okay, now anyway, that's the legit blue one that I purchased. And I even read in some forums that the only way you're going to really get a truly legit Neatcell is from ordering through Amazon, and which makes sense because Amazon's a big company, and it's unlike eBay and other ones. They have money back guarantees. Now anyway, here's the fake red one that I purchased. As you can see, it was advertised as Neatcell, but this does not say Neatcell. And if you want, I could show you how the laser works in this video, but it gives out like a tiny little red line, and it burns the hell out of you. It's not like this one with the dark blue that actually works. I tried doing it, and it just burns. This will probably just end up damaging me, and that's what I get for not going through the same company as before. Anyway, that's pretty much the end of my video, and I'll give you another update next month. I'm going all the way through. All right, talk to you guys later.